Hi, my name is Lynn with WTI.
A good metronome is very important for every musician, even seasoned musicians. One thing I find important for me is having a sound that I like, and this is a natural sound for a metronome, so I'm not distracted during my playing. When composing a song, I use the metronome a lot to work out the rhythm. This way, I'm well prepared with my rehearsal to join a group of musicians and play all in unison. I love this particular metronome because of the lovely mahogany wood. I use a metronome for every music score that I am working on, especially if it is a new one, to get the timing exactly right. The metronome is essential for any instrumentation. It's easy to use, it looks great, and it works to make me a better musician, and I really appreciate that.
And that's my point of view.